Alright, I'm back here at home in my shop. Basically, I built a dyno. I haven't really posted a video or talked much about it. I have two Nissan Leaf motors hooked back to back. Basically, you can see there, right there, I hooked them nose to nose. You can see a little coupler in the middle there. That coupler just lets one motor drive the other. What I'm about to do is set a second axiom up right here, which will connect to these phase wires. I have the first axiom right there. Put a couple switches on, some LEDs. Made it pretty easy to work on stuff. Good spot for my scope. Eventually this front will actually, all sides will get some plexiglass in case something bad happens, like a controller explodes. I have a low voltage fuse right now. I'm only running 117 volts fully charged with 28S LiPo right now, but I will be adding more as I test this system better. Nonetheless, trying to make this as safe as possible. I have all the stuff here to build a second axiom. It'll go here on the other side for the load motor. That'll be happening pretty soon. Like I said, these will flip over and connect to it. I got a flat screen. The goal will be to run 2 instances of the VESC tool at once. And then we can actually display the power in, the power out from on the same screen. That screen will accept 2 inputs. So it's part of my goal. Tried to build a whole bench as good as I could to test this, keeping the weight down low, and if I have to, I'll add some supports that'll come out the end that I'll like either attach or screw down to the floor to make it more stable. Let's just check a little bit of a sensor. Let's start with axiom here. So it starts up with the throttle pretty good. And it's spinning 9,000 plus electrical RPM. Sounds faster than that. I gotta double check the math on that. I don't quite understand that, but it shouldn't spin too fast with only 100 and whatever volts. 106 volts there. But yeah, you can see the current when it's at full power there. Sometimes it likes to start backwards too, like that. There's the right direction. So now I'm gonna just watch the current. And that's probably just that vibration's actually harmonic, probably from the coupler between the two motors. Once I put a steady load on the output motor, even just like 1 or 2 phase amps, just to absorb that vibration, that'll smooth out a bunch. You can see it'll sometimes spin backwards. I haven't determined a reason for that yet, but for some reason, doing a start there, it started in reverse. And it knows it's in reverse, which is surprising, because that's obviously a flaw in the code, I think. But there we go, that's forward. You see the resolver information there. Looks pretty good. I'll make a separate video about how the resolver works. But yeah, I'm definitely excited. This should be doing some serious testing here pretty soon. Aiming to prove some real power to these motors.